Last week, President Obama changed his stance on birth control coverage. Now he says insurance companies should be required to cover birth control for workers who want it. But that change isn't enough for some in the Catholic Church. News Channel 15's Randy Spieth is live in News Control with what some area Catholics have to say about the policy.
Alyssa, I spoke to a pair of Catholic mothers today about this topic. Now, they've been following this issue for a couple weeks, ever since the Catholic bishops told the White House their thoughts on the Obama plan. President Obama is still receiving heat over his health care reform law.
Sign of what the power of overreaching government can do if they are allowed. And so I think we need to fight it and, yes, absolutely keep it in the forefront.
The president's administration says the law now makes the insurance company provide contraception for free directly for no charge and does not require the employer to pay for the health care service. Religious organizations like the Catholic Church were opposed to paying for employees to receive birth control because it goes against their religious beliefs. But at least one Catholic says the church should still fight the policy.
Our church is going to fight it. I think many other churches that don't even have the same rules on contraception as the Catholic Church will fight it because they see it as an affront to religious liberty.
Denise Roy is a mother of 8 and works as a maternal nurse. She believes the law isn't a health care issue.
I would think this is more of a behavior issue than just a health issue. You can control whether you decide to have premarital sex, extramarital sex. If you are married and you want to use contraception, that is a choice that then you can pay for.
Another Catholic we spoke to says the compromise is okay because it doesn't force the church to pay for an employee's birth control directly.
The insurance paying for contraception, I don't see any problem with that because but the church paying for it, that would be against the conscience of the religion. You know, that's a step you can't really take.
Now, the Obama administration says this has looked at both sides of this issue, saying this is an issue about matter of fairness and health, and every woman should have access to birth control. The opposition says it will push for legislation to exempt any organization from this requirement if it's a moral objection.